Step 4.2. Testing every workstation manual mode. First, film cutting workstation debugging. Turn on Film Cut 2 and Film Pull 2. Press Run. Observe the shape after the film cutted. Ensure the logo is centered with straight edges. In the meantime, ensure the eye mark is aligned with the detector. Second, sealing workstation debugging. Gently lift the mold by hand to ensure it aligns perfectly with the sealing copper. Third, temperature control. Press Tempture controller. The machine begins heating up. SV, the set temperature. PV, the process temperature. Adjust the temperature according to the film material.